If his dad's Kubota had a horn, he would know every time the kids were in it.
Yeah. How do you push it down?
It's got some kind of safety thing on it.
Oh, he's not heavy enough.